Wara Japan! Are you interested in how rooms are like in Tokyo? I'm gonna show you some functions in my room today. Let's start. Here's kitchen. This is quite normal kitchen in new condos in Tokyo. There are 3 gas burners here. And what's the most unique about Japanese kitchen is this. It's fish grill oven. Usually we have fish oven here under the gas burner. It's not big as convection oven, but it's compact size, especially for grilling fish. And I have a dishwasher here. It's compact size compared to other dishwashers from other countries, but they quite works well. And another thing I want to show you is this. This is disposer. You can put kitchen garbage inside the hole, and if you switch on it, it grinds everything so that the garbage can be drained into sewage. It's very good. See, it grinds everything. Only garbage. Kitchen garbage, raw garbage. And this is rice cooker. Oops. Normally we have rice cooker in Japanese house. Okay, and I also have a slow juicer here. And next thing I want to show you is this intercom or interphone system. You can communicate with someone at the entrance of this condo and also at the outdoor of this unit through this system with video monitor. It records even while you are out so that you can check who came while you're out. Also, it lets you know if there's a delivery item in the delivery locker. You don't need to be at home waiting for your delivery to come. It's very convenient. And here is a toilet. Normally we have a bathroom and a toilet separate, except for the rooms like studios. And yeah, here's a toilet, pretty normal toilet. It has electronic bidet and of course toilet seat warmer. I think everyone in foreigners are very interested in that. And here's a small sink that you can wash your hands here. Let's see a bathroom here. This is our bathroom. We have washer here and there's a specific place for washer to put. And yeah, let's see the bathroom here. We have big bathtub here. Like this. And I want to show you is this. This system. You can set the temperature and the amount of hot water here. And just pushing the button, you can fill the bathtub with your set temperature and amount of hot water. And it keeps the temperature and the amount until you turn it off. This function fits great to Japanese lifestyle. That's about it today. Usually rooms in Tokyo are very small size, but the functions are very good. I've never seen any these high-tech functions in other countries. I lived in Germany, United States, and East Asia, but I've never seen such functions like this. So it's very convenient to live in rooms in Tokyo, even it's small. I'm satisfied. Bye.